Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Gurkirat Singh Makhija, and in this video I'm going to explain you about the objectives of cost accounting, and we'll have a introduction about the dissimilarities between cost and financial accounting. So let's start. First of all, cost accounting. It is a process by which we determine the cost of goods and services. It involves the recording, classification, allocation of various expenditures, and creating financial statements. This data is generally used in financial accounting. So it can be said that cost accounting provides a basis for financial accounting, and it helps to determine the selling cost of the product. Features of cost accounting. It is a subfield in accounting. It is the process of accounting for costs, provides data to management for decision making and budgeting for the future. Cost accounting helps to establish certain standard costs and budgets. It provides costing data that helps in fixing prices of goods and services. It is also a great tool to figure out the efficiency of a unit or a process. It can disclose wastage of time and resources. So here are types of cost accounting, that is activity-based accounting, activity-based costing, lean accounting, and standard accounting. Objectives of cost accounting. The objective of the cost accounting is to determine the methods by which expenditure on materials, wages, and overheads are recorded, classified, and allocated. This is necessary so that the cost of products and services may be accurately ascertained. Cost accounting helps to correctly analyze the cost of both the process and operations. It discloses the wastage of material, time, and expenses in the preparation of the product. It helps to lower the cost by providing all the places or all the areas where the cost has a potential to decrease so as to increase the profitability of the product. Difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. Cost accounting is the art and science of applying the costing methods, techniques, and principles to the products and increase the profitability by reducing the cost. Whereas financial accounting is the act of classifying, storing, recording, and analyzing the financial transactions of the company through financial statements to improve the profitability and maintain the transparency. Scope. Cost accounting revolves around management and decision making process. So it is said that cost accounting is more of an internal score than an outer reflection. Cost accounting is more relevant to the internal elements of the organization, whereas financial accounting tries to disclose and provides an accurate financial picture to its stakeholders. Financial accounting is more of an outer reflection. Tools. There are three tools of cost accounting: the cost of the sales of product, how much the margin the organization would add, and the selling price of the product. These are the essentials of cost accounting. Now, in financial accounting has many tools. It takes the help of journal, trial balance, and financial statements such as income statement, balance sheet, and shareholders' equity statement, and cash flow statements as well. Particular period. Cost accounting isn't done as per any particular period. Rather, it's calculated as per the requirement of the management decision making process. Financial accounting is recorded at the end of a particular financial period. Generally, in India, we see financial period, it starts at 1st April of a year and ends at 31st March of the next year. So that's all from my side. Thank you.